So now what we have is the ACC charts. Okay, so what we have to do is, now we have to we have to scroll one by one to identify the the pattern which is actually asked in your question, which is double top. Okay, so the question asked now is a double top. So I am concerned only double top. There is no other patterns. Okay, to answer this question, what you need to do, spot the double top pattern. Okay, so how to spot the pattern? Take the analytical tool, the charting platform, make sure that you are in D. Okay, I don't want something in weekly and monthly. I hope you people also aware about it. In case if you find, Murugan, I want more number of charts, more number of data to do analysis, you can download the same. There is one more thing to understand. This is not necessarily have to identify only the current trend. You can also do the post-mortem activity. That is the reason why this activity is also comes under understanding the markets. Okay, it is not about forecasting. The forecasting is about to start only on day 10 to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Till 6 to 9, we have to just to understand certain patterns and the implication of pattern, how the patterns are working in the actual market. So what I have to do is, I have to identify only double top and double bottom as per this question. So what I do is, okay, I go to say Axis Bank. Okay, so if I open an Axis Bank charts, okay, I can find a chart here. It's about last 10 years the charts are available. So what I do is, I just zoom the area where I can see a double top. Okay, so I can see a two top which is almost equal. Okay, I will draw like this. I would draw like this. Okay, those two things you can take it from the here. Okay, those two are kindly equal, but as per a double top pattern, I given you certain conditions. The first condition could be there should be a decent time gap. I hope the gaps are significant, so that is valid. Number two, the volume should be highest either at this level or it should be highest in most of the cases. The volume would be highest at this cases, the second top when you made. Okay, if it is but the volume is not so great, so on this ground this is not so a double top, but on the picture format it looks like a double top. So what we can do is, but I hope you people know there is a double bottom here. There is a double bottom. Okay, so there is a double bottom and the volume is actually high. Look at the volume at the second bottom, the volume is high. So it is meeting two criteria for me. So at what level I go and buy the stock? Above the neckline, which is this level. But I hope some of you know how to buy even at this level. I would like to zoom. So the zooming options are here. I would like to see. And while breaking out also, this stock is actually forming a good volume. So this is a condition need to be taken. You did this analysis, take the print screen. For a people who is not so tech savvy, I'll tell you what is print screen. Just go to your keyboard, look at the keyboard. You can find a button like this. Okay, what you have to do is, you have to keep the charts open. Keep the charts open. Zoom the exact area where you have to show those two bottom and take the print screen. Now I'm pressing the key print screen. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I'll go to start button. Okay. I'll find my MS Paint. What I can do is, you can type MSPAINT. Okay. On your run command, or you can find something called MS Paint. Go to this and you'll be getting a paint. Okay, just paste it, and what you have to do is save the same. Okay, there is something called a save option. Kindly save the same on days, on whatever the name you want, the Axis Bank double bottom. Okay, on, so not necessarily the date. Okay, just save this. Make sure that you save all these things in the file name of PNG or JPEG. Make sure that you save all these things in PNG or JPEG. I request you to kindly follow this. Okay, say you save things in, say, PNG, and you're saving the same on desktop. Okay, so you saved this one. So now what you have to do is you have to go to your question, take the snapshot, it has been done with, mark the criteria, it is also done with, upload the answer section, upload the same in the answer section along with the rationale. Here you have to write what is the criteria, what is the existing trend, what is the existing trend, what is the future, what is the future trend after the breakout, mark the breakout area. Okay, mark the breakout area and give the verdict. Has it really worked as per expectation or not? If you say this is worked as per your expectations, okay, if you work, say if it is worked out, then you have to go to the charts once again, start scrolling the various patterns. Okay, identify one more pattern which has not worked out. It means what? It formed a kind of a double bottom and it has broken down. Look at this, we will try to see something which has not worked out with all the criteria. So zoom this area, okay, then scroll this place, look at, see if there is any double bottom. Make sure that the conditions are right. So kindly go and find somewhere, some people, some double bottom may not work. Okay, spend your time in identifying those, and if you find only successful pattern, then something wrong with this. But I recommend you to go and spend some time in searching for some patterns which was not worked out even. Okay, and then what you have to do is do the same activity for that also, and under the not work out pattern, you write something about why it is not worked out. Worked out, is volume is missing, is any criteria is missing. Okay, what is your learning? Your learning. I hope you people watching these things, see, although this is a time consuming job, I will keep on telling you that this is just a simple practice. This is what any people do. This is what maximum we can contribute towards the market. That is what our time and effort. So if you keep doing all these things, in turn market give you first a confidence. That confidence will help you to make money out of the market. So I keep telling you people to do the same. Once again, tell you how to upload the photos. So you have to upload the image, select the stock, which you saved, okay, and which you saved in the name of Axis Bank, okay, and open it, okay. So then insert it. So this will get inserted in your blog, okay. So this has got inserted in your blog. So you must be having something like this. Forget about it, and then you can post your answers. But I'm not posting it now because all these things are not relevant one. Okay, so I delete this from here. So I hope you people post after doing a proper analysis. The same way, every day what you have to do is, so the next one you have to do the double bottom, the next one is head and shoulder, next one is flag pattern, next one is cup pattern, next one is triangle, the next one is price pattern. See, day 6 may take even 2, 3, 4 days. I hope I can also understand based on your time availability. So I don't mind you people take more time, but do not give any break. Kindly complete all these things in 5 days of those 4-day activity, which is from day 6 to day 9. Okay, so from day 6 to day 9 you have to complete in a matter of 5 days. Spend time, do not give any break in between. Okay, after completing all the activities, the final question on the particular day would be collectively watching all this thing. So go to any price pattern, you can identify any price pattern with the recent charts. It means what? You have to find any double top or a double bottom in the recent charts. If you find, Murugan, I could see a lot of tops here, okay, and I can say this is a double bottom, double top and double bottom, but I don't see any great upside and this is not a major reversal. However, if you say this good volume, then you can say this. Okay, so make sure that you find something in the recent one, which would be the last question in all the days. Okay, so by completing the same, I hope you would be prepared in doing the practical analysis. Once again I tell you, there is a difference between impossible and possible. It lies on the people determination. I appreciate your determination so far, so keep continuing the same. We, as our mission has, we just looking for a lot of people with successful trading history. It is just a beginning of our activities. So trade with discipline. I hope you will be profitable. So, and this is for information. Once again, our services. You can find the phone number at the bottom of it. Thank you once again for watching it. Just keep moving. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Thank you. Happy trading.